it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is very exciting. This video is about an item you guys wanted reviewed, and you was like, Tina, what's the tea? Tina, what's tea? Does it smell like this? Does it smell like that? If y'all see my Fall Phase 2 video, definitely, if you haven't, go check it out. I went ahead and told you guys that new items were out for fall, and I did a haul in my car showing you guys the new items that were out for fall that are going to be coming out not right now, not this week, but at the end of the month. I got the exclusive. You know I'm sharing, but it comes out at the end of August. It's the 26th or 28th, one of those 2 days, but they will release Fall Phase 2, and Fall Phase 2 is so bomb. Like Fall Phase 1 wasn't it. It was good, but it ain't this, homie. Like, I had to get something to everything from Fall Phase 2. So if you didn't see that video, go check it out. But the main item everybody's been asking me about, so I just wanted to do a review on, is this right here. Pink Velvet Cupcake. Everybody wants to know about it, and it comes in 3 forms. My store doesn't have the 3rd form yet, again, because everything is starting to come out right now. So we don't have the shower gel yet. So when the shower gel does come out, I will have that too, but they don't have it yet. So I did pick up the Ultra Body Cream. It looks just like that. Packaging, we're gonna discuss it all, but that's that. And then this is the Fine Fragrance Mist. And this is like really clear, hard to see because it's a clear type of packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. It has the leaves on it. It has nothing that resembles a cupcake. It even has a rose on it, so you would think it has something to do with like being a rose type scent. Thank God it's not. Sorry for my guys that like rose. I just am not a rose scent fan. But yeah, so that's the design on over the notes. Okay, so Pink Velvet Cupcake. The notes in this is sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallows, sugar praline. Of course, the praline has got me intrigued because I love praline, the smell of praline. So everyone's asking, is it a dupe for this? Is it a dupe for that? So let's just go over the dupes everyone's saying. The first thing people want to know, is it wrapped in sugar? Because it says whipped pink marshmallow. Now this is wrapped in sugar. The notes in that is coconut martini, marshmallow musk, soft amber, warm woods. Nothing in these notes match these notes. So no, this is nothing like wrapped in sugar. Absolutely nothing like wrapped in sugar at all. So wrapped in sugar, no, it's not a dupe for. Now everyone keeps saying velvet sugar. Well, I'm saying velvet sugar. Everyone's not saying it, but I'm saying velvet sugar. This is my velvet sugar spray, and I'm going to compare it to the other spray, but I do want to give you the notes of velvet sugar. I have to go to my phone because I don't have a shower gel, I think, anymore in velvet sugar, or maybe I do and I don't know where it is, but I want to read you the notes of velvet sugar. Notes in velvet sugar are a blend of velvet cream and golden plum laced with swirl of sugared musk, pink jasmine, and wild strawberries. Again, the notes in this one are sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, sugar praline. So the notes aren't the same, but we're going to talk about the spray in just a minute. And then the last one everyone keeps comparing it to, Amber Blush. And I'm going to read the notes for Amber Blush as well, because guess what, my Amber Blush lotion I do have put up, but I was able to find my spray because I want to compare the sprays, because it's easier to compare the sprays than anything else. Okay, so Amber Blush, the top notes are bergamot, mandarin orange, raspberry, and champagne. The middle notes are jasmine, gardenia, star anise, I don't know, apricot, and magnolia. Base notes, though, just so you get the base notes, are vanilla, suede, crystal amber, sandalwood, and musk. So this has more of a musky scent, and red velvet cupcake does not have a musky scent at all, but that's the 3 that they're being compared to. So let's get into my thoughts now that I did the comparisons of each one. So the packaging, we're going to start with the packaging. The packaging is super girly, super cute. I think this will be really cute on your vanity year round. I don't think this is just something that is just fall. This doesn't scream fall at all. Nothing about this is fall to me. And it has roses on it, which I really don't get, but it's like whatever. It's all about the scent and the inside. But this packaging is so cute, and this packaging can be out on the vanity year round. So for a pill, a 10 out of 10. Now, this does last for quite a while. I did use it today. Oh my God. Y'all, this smells so good. It reminds me of something. I cannot put my hands on it, but it is so good. You smell the red berries like off the jump. You smell the berries, like the berries smell so good, y'all. And then that marshmallow gives it that sweet note to it. I'm not really smelling much of the praline though, and that's fine. Oh, but you can smell a little bit of the praline. But the first thing that hits your nose is the berries, and they smell so good. Y'all, they smell so good. So longevity, I give it about a 7, because of course with lotion and stuff you have to keep putting on throughout the day, especially since you wash your hands a lot, so the smell can go away. But I think this would be great to layer with the body wash. It's gonna be life. Smells so good. Okay, so let's go into the fine fragrance mist. As far as packaging of the mist, again, this is something that can be out on the vanity year round. I think this will look so cute on your vanity, and it's just so girly. I don't know, it's just girly, it's cutesy, it's just beautiful. I love it. And I love the pink packaging, and it's that light pink clear packaging. So packaging is a 10 for me. Longevity, it's about a 7 or an 8, because of course we all know mist don't last as long as like a perfume. I mean, we all know that. I just love it, and I'm telling you, you can bathe in it. I'm sorry, I gotta put a lot on. It smells that good. Like, I know I'm gonna need another one. It smells that good. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. I'm smelling it on my hand too. It's really good. So I just love the scent, as you can tell. But let's do the comparison. When you get wrapped in sugar is more of a musky scent. It smells nothing like it at all. So wrapped in sugar is just out of the ball game. Like, no. This to me smells like velvet sugar had a baby with amber blush. The baby is 90% velvet sugar, and then it got the daddy nose. That's what I get out of this scent. Like, seriously, like if you put these two together, that's what I get out of it. Like, this the mama, and the mama's genes was prominent, but the daddy nose. Like, that's the scent to me. Like, because velvet sugar is really, really sweet. Really, really, really sweet. And velvet sugar, it always smells so good. Velvet sugar is really, really sweet. Yeah. Really, really sweet. And it doesn't have the berry note as intense as Red Velvet Cupcake. And then Amber Blush is more of a musky scent. Yeah, really musky. But the Red Velvet Cupcake has like, of like a little bit of musk. Like this much, a smidget. So that's why I said it's 90% this, 10% this, and then from grandma it got the berries. So she had some berry in her DNA, and the berry hit the DNA and it got into her, and then it got it from great grandma, the berry note to it. So it's kind of like that, you know what I mean? That's the best way to explain it. But y'all, like, all in all, like, it's really good. I'm so surprised that I like it, because when someone said it was like Amber Blush, I wasn't even checking for it at that point. But after smelling it, I'm like, nothing like Amber Blush. Again, this scent smells really, really good. I mean, you get the berries. It's a little hint of, I mean, like this much, like next to nothing. But I think that's because of the praline. I don't know. And you do get that marshmallow sweetness to it, so it's not too much. It's perfect. Like if you don't want something too musky, if you don't want something too sweet, this is a great middle ground. Like it's the perfect middle ground. Like it's the perfect middle ground. Like, oh my goodness, yeah, I'm gonna need more. And you can wear this year round. Perfect middle ground. So I'm going to continue to keep using it, and I'm going to even get backup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope it made sense. I normally don't review body care, but I'm trying to venture out and do like reviews and stuff now, especially because I haul so much. If I haul so much, I use so much, I need to tell you guys about it. So yeah, this is a yes. This is definitely a yes. She a yes. She good. She good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.